The challenge for this week is cigar boxes with licorice. But of course, if nothing else works, you can always make music with it. And we will send it to you.
Come to me close, baby. Take off your clothes for me, please. Come, let's work it out. Scream to me, feel, baby. Don't stop me, bite your lips, go on. We'll get through the night. Maybe don't know what you're doing lately. I just can't deny. Where do you go? Where do you stay? If even our minds go separate ways, I will never let you down. I will never let you down. Whatever I do.
Wow, well done with the licorice. And for the next week, we have these nice blue pot holders.
You down. I will never let you down.